Good morning children once again. Children, today which letter we are going to study? This A letter? No. This C letter? No. Then have you seen my last video? Which was my last video? મેં કયો લેટરનો વિડીયો મોકલ્યું હતું તમને? કયું? Yes, that was D letter. That was D letter. And what comes after D? Do you know what comes after D? D પછી શું આવે? Do you know? Tell me. Yes, that is capital letter E. So today we are going to learn a new letter and that is E. Children, which letter it is? Capital letter E. E says A. E says A. Children, now I will show you some related pictures with the capital letter E. E for Eskimo. Where does the Eskimo live? Do you know? क्या है Eskimo? Yes, Eskimo live in an igloo. An igloo is made up of ice. E for envelope. તમે લેટર કેવી રીતે પોસ્ટ કરો? Yes, in envelope, right? E for engine. What does the engine sounds? Children, તમે લોકો દરરોજ મેમના વિડિયોઝ કેવી રીતે જો? With your eyes, lovely, beautiful eyes, right? And E for ears. મમ્મા તમને બૂમ પાડે કે ચાલો ભણવા બેસી જાઓ તો તમે કેવી રીતે સાંભળો? With your ears. And E for eagle. E for elephant. Which animal has a long nose? Yes, an elephant has a long nose. So children, now I will show you how to write capital letter E. So children, which letter it is? This is our new letter and that is E. Now, how to write capital letter E? This is our red line, okay? You have to do 5 ticks over here in the margin and then touch the red line and do the standing line and touch the second blue line and slipping line on red line, slipping line on first blue line, slipping line on second blue line. You have to do 3 slipping lines, right? Now again one more time, standing line, slipping line on first red line, slipping line on first blue line, slipping line on second blue line. Right children? Now children, please don't write E like this. Standing line and then slipping line. This is your wrong E. Okay children? Now I will show what for E. We are going to draw E for envelope. Right? So first of all, leave some space over here and then draw one slipping line, then standing line, then standing line and slipping line. Children, which shape it is? Yes, this is our rectangle shape. Then you have to do slanting line and join it. And then from here do the slanting line and slanting line. Which picture it is? Yes, this is our E for envelope. Children, we will see how to write capital letter E in our red and blue line book. So, you have to do 5 ticks over here in the margin. Okay, children? Now we will start. You have to start from the red line, right? Standing line, slipping line on first blue line, slipping line on second blue line. One more time we will write. Standing line from red line to second blue line, then slipping line on red line, slipping line on first blue line, slipping line on second blue line. One more time. Standing line from red line to second blue line, slipping line on red line, slipping line on first blue line and slipping line on second blue line. Understood children? You have to do right like this only. Now we will draw E for envelope. You have to do slipping line first, then standing line, then slipping line and standing line. Okay? Now slanting line from here and slanting line from here. And slanting line. Now your E for envelope is ready. So children, it's time for our alphabet song. Are you all ready? Here we go round the alphabet tree, the alphabet tree, the alphabet tree. Here we go round the alphabet tree, singing the sounds of letters. This is the sound that E can make. This is the sound that E can make. So children, practice capital letter E at home. Bye bye.